In this video, we will talk about tips and tricks for paying taxes. So make sure to watch the full video. Navigating the intricacies of tax preparation is a crucial aspect of financial responsibility for individuals and businesses alike. Effectively managing your taxes requires careful planning, organization, and adherence to ever-changing tax laws and regulations. From maximizing deductions and credits to staying informed about deadlines and tax law changes, there are numerous strategies to optimize your tax situation. Whether you're a seasoned taxpayer or new to the process, understanding key principles and implementing best practices can help minimize your tax liability and ensure compliance with tax authorities. In this guide, we'll explore 10 essential tips and tricks to empower you in effectively managing your taxes. 1. Organize your documents. Establishing a systematic approach to organizing your tax-related documents is crucial for smooth tax preparation. Create a filing system that categorizes documents such as income statements, like W-2s, 1099s, and K-1s, receipts for deductible expenses, such as medical bills, business expenses, charitable donations, and education-related costs, investment statements, property records, and relevant tax forms. Consider using digital storage solutions or apps to scan and store paper documents for easy access and backup. Throughout the year, consistently update your records to ensure all relevant documents are accounted for come tax season. This proactive approach not only saves time but also minimizes the risk of overlooking deductions or credits. 2. Know your deadlines. Understanding tax deadlines is essential to avoid penalties and ensure compliance with tax laws. In addition to the traditional April 15th deadline for filing federal income tax returns, unless extended, be aware of other key dates such as deadlines for estimated tax payments, filing extensions, and state tax returns. Note that deadlines may vary for certain taxpayers, such as those living abroad or serving in the military. Utilize calendar reminders and tax software alerts to stay informed and meet deadlines punctually. Planning ahead allows for ample time to gather necessary documents, seek assistance if needed, and accurately complete tax filings. 3. Maximize deductions and credits. Maximizing deductions and credits can significantly reduce your tax liability and potentially increase your tax refund. Deductions lower your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Take advantage of available deductions such as those for mortgage interest, property taxes, state and local income taxes, medical expenses exceeding a certain threshold, charitable contributions, and eligible business expenses. Additionally, explore tax credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, Child Tax Credit, American Opportunity Tax Credit, AOTC, and Lifetime Learning Credit. To optimize your tax savings, keep thorough records, stay informed about eligible deductions and credits, and consult with tax professionals or use tax software to identify all applicable tax breaks. 4. Consider tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts offer opportunities to save for retirement and healthcare expenses while enjoying tax benefits. Contributions to retirement accounts like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, and SEP IRAs may be tax-deductible or grow tax-deferred, reducing your current taxable income or providing tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Similarly, health savings accounts, HSAs, and flexible spending accounts, FSAs, allow you to set aside pre-tax dollars for qualified medical expenses, providing immediate tax savings. Evaluate your eligibility and contribution limits for these accounts, and consider maximizing contributions to optimize tax advantages while planning for future financial goals. 5. Keep track of quarterly payments. For self-employed individuals, freelancers, independent contractors, and those with significant investment income, making quarterly estimated tax payments is essential to avoid underpayment penalties. Estimate your tax liability for the year based on projected income, deductions, and credits, and make quarterly payments to the IRS and applicable state tax agencies using Form 1040-S. Keep detailed records of your estimated tax payments to facilitate accurate reporting on your annual tax return. Additionally, reassess your estimated tax payments periodically throughout the year to account for changes in income, expenses, or tax laws that may affect your tax liability. 6. Utilize tax software or professionals. Whether you prefer DIY tax preparation or seek professional assistance, leveraging tax software or working with tax professionals can streamline the tax filing process and maximize your tax savings. Tax preparation software offers user-friendly interfaces, step-by-step guidance, and error-checking features to help you accurately prepare and file your tax return. Consider reputable tax software options that align with your tax situation and preferences. Alternatively, enlist the expertise of certified public accountants, CPAs, enrolled agents, EAs, or tax attorneys for personalized tax advice, complex tax situations, or representation in IRS matters. Tax professionals can provide valuable insights, identify opportunities for tax optimization, and ensure compliance with ever-changing tax laws and regulations. 7. Stay informed about tax law changes. Tax laws and regulations are subject to frequent updates and revisions, impacting tax rates, deductions, credits, filing requirements, and other aspects of the tax code. Stay informed about changes in tax laws by monitoring updates from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, state tax agencies, and reputable tax publications or resources. Major legislative changes, such as tax reform initiatives or economic stimulus measures, may have significant implications for taxpayers. Regularly review IRS publications, tax guides, and online resources to understand how changes in tax laws affect your tax planning strategies, filing obligations, and financial decisions. Consult with tax professionals or financial advisors to navigate complex tax issues and optimize your tax strategy in response to evolving tax laws. 8. Review past returns for errors. Periodically reviewing your past tax returns can help identify errors, omissions, or missed opportunities for deductions or credits. Thoroughly examine previous tax returns for accuracy, consistency, and completeness, paying attention to income reporting, deductions, credits, and tax calculations. Common errors include mathematical mistakes, typographical errors, misreported income, overlooked deductions or credits, and filing status inaccuracies. 9. Plan ahead for major life events. Anticipating the tax implications of significant life events can help you proactively manage your tax situation and minimize unexpected tax consequences. Major life events such as marriage, divorce, homeownership, starting a business, retirement, or having children can have profound effects on your tax filing status, deductions, credits, and overall tax liability. Prioritize tax planning and consider consulting with tax professionals or financial advisors before undergoing significant life changes to assess potential tax implications and explore tax-saving strategies. 10. Keep communication records with tax authorities. Maintaining clear and organized records of all communications with tax authorities is essential for effective tax administration, compliance, and dispute resolution. Document all interactions, correspondence, notices, and inquiries received from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, state tax agencies, or local tax authorities. Keep copies of letters, emails, forms, and any supporting documentation related to audits, examinations, assessments, or tax-related disputes. Organize these records in a secure location and retain them for the applicable statute of limitations, typically 3 to 7 years, depending on the circumstances. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.